Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings app, and from there we're going to scroll down to device care right here and tap on memory, or actually not memory, storage, my bad. Go back, storage, there we go. And you will see your SD card right here, so tap on it. And on the three dots on the top and storage settings, tap again on the SD card and you'll find the option to format. Tap on that, format SD card. It will begin the process. It's a fairly quick one, only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished the card is ready to be used again. So right about now it's done and the process is completely finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.